We'll guide you through how you can download and install Google Chrome on your Mac. Let's get right into this guide. Google Chrome is a really good browser as you can sync up all your different devices which also use Google Chrome. So let's show you how you can get it. The first thing you'll need to do is go and open up a browser you already have on your Mac. So by default, you're going to go and have the Safari browser. So I'm going to go and open that up now just by clicking on it and then come to a search engine or just go and tap on the top address bar. And what you want to do is go and type in Google Chrome just like this. And then what you want to do is scroll down, and I just like to go to this google.com option here. So I'm going to go and click on it just like this. And then right at the top, it should be pretty quick. You should go and see a download Chrome button just here. So then you can go and click on it just like that, and it's going to go and start the download. And it should automatically detect you're using a Mac. So if we go and click on this downloads icon in the top right of our Mac, as you can see, this is a .dmg file, which basically is a file type which can be ran on Mac. So wait for this to finish downloading. So it's just going to finish downloading. So then what I'm going to do is go and double tap on it like this. What you can also do as well is go and open up your downloads folder in your Finder and also run the DMG file. And once you've ran it, you're going to go and see this pop up here. You can go and close off your browser as well. And what you need to do is drag Google Chrome into the applications folder. So drag it in just like that. And that's it. So now that we've gone and dragged it in, it's going to go and say copying. Shouldn't take too long. As you can see, it's pretty much finished. Once it's finished, you can go and close off this, but do just wait. So it's now finished. So now what you can do is go to the top right and click on the search icon and search for Chrome, or just go and click on Launchpad, and here is Google Chrome. So you can also go and swipe across as well, but mine's on the first page here. So I'll click on Google Chrome like this, and it's now opening up. When you open it up for the first time, you'll go and get this pop up here. I'll just go and click on open because I know it's safe pretty much. And we've got a few options here. That's up to you. I'm going to go and click on no thanks. And just like that, we're now in Google Chrome. And what you can do is go and sign into your Google account. I'm automatically logged in because I've already had Chrome on this laptop before. So all my bookmarks and things like that are all now synced up. If you found this useful, then please consider leaving a like. Peace.